Ah, hello. Oh, it went under. It's scanning the area. Now it's scanning it. Ah! 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 This is why I'm enjoying my day off. Someone is working for me, or something is working for me, because my robot vacuum is working for me. This is an ILife V5s Pro. It's a dual action, vacuuming and mopping the floor. It can do both those jobs, and I will just sit here and relax, just like that. Turn down, and it goes again. It's going to do the whole floor. I'm glad that I found this one. It's a ILife brand. You can get this at amazon.ca, and I am an affiliate of Amazon, and I will link in my description box the link for this one and other similar brand of robot vacuum. So ILife V5s Pro is dual system. It vacuums the floor, it mops the floor, and it has a water tank inside that we can put water, so it would mop around. It's slim. It can go under the chairs and your other furnitures. This one is okay working with the hard floor as well as the carpets, the low pile carpets. It goes back automatically to the charging station if it's running out or low of battery, so you don't have to look around to find it. So this is how it looks at the back. It's like this. It has this heavy duty wheels and these two brushes. These two brushes are very durable. Okay. Cool. It has its own protection too. It avoids bumping on the different furnitures, and it has a sensor so that it would not fall down and will not be broken. Okay, so I'll show you more of its duties. Come on, guys. Oh, spot cleaning, that's how it is called. So it keeps on going around to make sure that everything is totally clean. So I can just relax and be on my gadget while ILife is cleaning my floor. Okay, just press the home button, and then it's going home to its station, to its charging station. There you go. And then it will charge itself, and it's going to be ready soon to work again. You can also make a schedule or do a scheduling for ILife. It can work, let's say 9 or every 9 o'clock in the morning or every 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You can program it. Very convenient. Okay, ILife, stay there. Thank you very much for watching, and you can buy ILife through my link that I'm gonna put in the description box, because I'm an affiliate of amazon.ca. Thank you. Bye bye.